Hey everybody, how's it going? Today, iOS 16.0.2 is out. And so, without further ado, let's get started. So, in front of my camera, I have an iPhone X. As you can see, already in iOS 16. Let's go to Setting, General, Software Update, and you will get a notice just like this. As you can see, 16.0.2, it has a fix some issue. As you can see here, you can pause it if you can't catch it. So it is really important for the iPhone X, XR and 11, as you can see. So some of you got the touch issue after the iOS 16 updated, and also your screen has been serviced before. Alright, so it takes only 202.3 MB on my iPhone. Download and install. Terms and conditions, just agree. Update requested. About 25 seconds remaining, because it has a 200 MB only it takes, not so much. Unlike we do upgrade from iOS 15 to 16, it takes about 3 GB and something. Wow, but this one just 200 MB. It fixed some issue on our iPhone. 0 second remaining. Now it's preparing update loading. The update loading has been finished. It appears install now button. Let's press it, and it's verifying update. It takes several seconds or minute, it depends on your device. Now it's been black screen, Apple logo first and second, and it will show you the loading at the bottom, the circle one, and after that the loading just like this. It take several minutes. Has been finished. Now on the hello screen, let's press it. Hello. The update has been successful. A small setup after the update on every iPhone. Setup later. Don't use passcode. It takes several seconds for the Apple ID setting. And we're done. And so before I end this video, you can give a feedback for this iOS 16.0.2 is out now in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.